In this video, I'll show you how to enable automatic replies in the Outlook app. Automatic replies are useful when you're away from work, on vacation, or just unable to respond right away. In Outlook, this feature is also called out-of-office replies. Microsoft says the steps depend on which version of Outlook you're using, because the menus are a little different in New Outlook, Classic Outlook, Outlook on the web, and the mobile app. Microsoft also notes that automatic replies are not supported for Gmail, Yahoo, or other POP or IMAP accounts in Outlook, so that is something to keep in mind before you begin. If you're using the Outlook mobile app on iPhone or Android, open the app and tap your profile icon, then go to Settings. Choose the email account you want, tap Automatic Replies, and turn the switch on. Microsoft says you can also choose to send replies only during a specific time period, then set your start and end time. After that, type the message you want people to receive while you're away. If you're using New Outlook on Windows, Microsoft says you can go to the View tab, choose View Settings, then select Accounts and Automatic Replies. Turn on Automatic Replies, and if you want, choose to send replies only during a time period. Then enter your message for people inside your organization. You can also turn on replies for people outside your organization and write a separate message for them. When everything looks good, click Save. If you're using Classic Outlook on Windows, open Outlook and click File, then choose Automatic Replies. In the box that opens, select Send Automatic Replies. You can set a date range so Outlook turns the replies off automatically, or leave that blank and switch it off manually later. Then type your message on the Inside My Organization tab. If you also want people outside your organization to get a reply, use the Outside Organization option and enter a message there too. If you use Outlook on the web or Outlook.com, Microsoft says you can open Settings, then Account, then Automatic Replies. Turn the feature on, set a start and end time if needed, and type your automatic reply message. Microsoft also says some versions include extra options like blocking your calendar for that period, automatically declining new invitations, or canceling meetings during that time. One important tip is to be careful when replying to people outside your organization. Microsoft warns that sending automatic replies externally can send your message to every incoming email, including newsletters, promotions, and possibly junk mail. That is why Microsoft recommends limiting external replies to your contacts when that option is available. So the process is simple. Open Outlook, go to your account settings, find automatic replies, turn it on, write your message, and save it. That's how to enable automatic replies in the Outlook app. Hope the tutorial was helpful. Subscribe to my channel and see you in the next video.